Guys, this is Banga Soup, also known as Ofe Akwu. Do you want to see how this mouth-watering dish was prepared? If yes, please keep watching to see us pull this all together. Now for the ingredients that we need for this meal, here I have cow reed. Here I have goat meat. My already washed and cleaned fresh fish. I'm going to fry this, okay? If you want, you can always smoke this fish. Here I have my Pomo, my dried Cat Fish Fillet, my diced peppers. Now you can blend yours if you want. Here my crayfish, diced onions. Sorry for the break. Here I have my scent leaf, of course salt, black pepper, and my Maggi cubes. I'm going to use only Maggi cubes in this. I won't use no cubes. Now for the first step, we are going to parboil this cow reed with a goat meat and take out the first water. Okay, I always like to throw out the very first water before cooking it proper. Now let's go. Guys, how could I forget the star of our dish, the palm kernel concentrate? Now this is what we're going to be using. Yeah, this is our main base. This is our soup base, which is a palm kernel concentrate. Now you can get this from any African shop. Okay, so yeah, in a clean pot and on a hot stove, I'm going to put in my meat and then pour in some salt, some bay leaves, okay, and some water. Now I'll leave this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, after which the water will be thrown away. This is what I do on all my meats. I always do this on all of my meat because I want to be sure that the meat is very safe. Okay, after you throw that away, then we can start cooking our meat proper. Guys, so I already washed this meat. Okay, remember I removed the very first water. Now I wash the meat with warm water. It's really clean. So in here I'm going to put in some onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, because I love my food really hot, and I'm going to season it with some Maggi cubes and salt. Now you can see that I didn't put any water into the pot because I like it to cook and suck the juice to itself before pouring any water. So I'm going to cook this for about, let's say, 10 minutes only with the juice of the meat, and after which I'm going to pour in just a little bit of water, and because you also need the stock to prepare the base. Okay, in a heated pan, pour in some oil. Pour in your oil and let it get hot, and then you can start frying your fish. So guys, everything is ready. Now in a pot, I'm going to pour in my meat stock. Okay, now this might be small, their stock might be small for our base, but then just don't pour a lot of water now, because you don't want a situation where you have too light, you know, of your soup. You want your soup, you don't want your soup too light. Now in the stock, I'm just going to pour in my base. Okay, and then just stir your base, and then make this on medium, not too high. Let your heat be on medium, and stir your base and leave it to cook for some time. Cook for about 5 minutes, or if you want, cook it for 10 minutes, depending on you, but let it cook for more than 5 minutes before you start putting in the other ingredients. Okay, you don't want to, you know, eat, you know, something. Just let it cook for about 5 minutes or more. Guys, this has been cooking for about 9 minutes. So, oh, see the steam. Yeah, so now in here goes our pepper, our pomo, onions. Now this is really optional. I just like to see this here and there. Our dry fish fillet. I'm putting it at this stage because it's not hard to get soft. Now a crayfish, and I'm just going to let this cook for about 2 more minutes before putting in my meat. And so here now I'm going to put in my meat, and then leave this to cook for about 3 minutes. Now I'm not going to put my Maggi and salt at this stage because you know we boiled the meat with Maggi and salt. So I'm only going to put more Maggi or salt after I must have cooked this for about 3 minutes, tested to make sure that the Maggi, salt, and I don't know. Now add more water if you want your, depending on how you want your soup, either thick or light. Just add more water to your preference. Okay, spicing it up. Okay, guys, do you people know that I actually forgot to tell you guys about this? Yeah, Banga Spice. Oh, this is for this soup. Oh, Biko, don't come for me, I forgot. So at this stage, just include or add yours, and then leave it to cook with the meat and wait for 3 minutes, after which you can check to add for salt or Maggi. Okay, guys, it's been boiling for about 3 minutes. So I'm just going to add my Maggi, salt, and my fish. So guys, the aroma in my kitchen, oh my god, please don't come for me, Obiko. The aroma. So yeah, so we're just going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and I forgot the scent leaf. Today something is going on, I keep forgetting everything. So yeah, we're just going to leave this food to simmer for about 5 minutes, and our soup is as good as done. Our soup is ready. Okay, now see how that is. Look at this pot of goodness and mercy combined. Oh, hey Chineke, can you see what I am seeing? Can you? If you are seeing this, because subscribe to see more of this delicious cooking. Okay, subscribe and please press the notification bell below so that in case I upload any videos, you will be the first to be notified. Guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.